Hey guys, so we're headed over to one of the places on Pensacola Beach just for a quick happy hour, and I just wanted to make note that I did curl my hair because Shaggy's is open to the outdoor elements and it's 90 degrees and very humid out, so that is not going to last. I don't know why I spent my time doing that, but that's what we're going to do.
That is what you're saying.
You're not going to get to see. So I wanted to show you before I walked in.
I follow you. I'm learning. I get it.
Yeah. I'll give you an after. This is going to be awful. There's the bay, there's the ocean.
It is hot.
I know, I'm telling you. It's like sitting in mist or thick air. It's very humid out here, but we're here at an awesome place called Shaggy's, right on Pensacola Beach. We're just gonna have a quick happy hour. Right, there's the bay over there, and it continues all the way around. Shall we go look? Telling you, a fun place to be. Actually feels nicer out here. I think we're crazy for sitting inside. Alright, just wanted to give you the end result of the humidity of Florida.
Slap it around.
Look at that. Oh man. Yeah, it happened. I don't know why I wasted my time. Should have just put it up in a pony, you know? Who doesn't like pony?
You all had ponies.
I like pony. Yeah, there we go. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So pretty. Alright, seriously, it does feel way better out here. Outside in the breeze. Feels better than humidity air, misty air in the restaurant. We should have sat out here. See what I mean by the cool breeze?
I think we should have sat out here.
Yeah, I think we should have. I was just showing everybody, look at that wonderful stuff over there. It'd be nice to have one of these boats. All right, hey you guys. So as part of my vlogs that I'm gonna do here occasionally, I wanna do a few things that are like random acts of kindness kind of stuff, because that's really fun, and you know, end up doing that, but you know, trying to like inspire myself to even do more. So this month I want to do a fun one for the dogs, you know, the pets. It's my dog's 5th birthday, and yeah, Gimli, our little guy, brings us lots of joy. So what I want to do is I actually want to go to the dog park, the nearby dog park, and I bought a whole bag of doggy safe tennis balls. Gimli, I haven't allowed him to sniff what that is because he gets really excited. And then I bought individual packed treats, and I want to hand those out. So I got a couple of bags of these, and I guess they're good. They're farmers market. They're natural treats for dogs. And I got them individually wrapped because, you know, people are very particular with people giving them treats. I just wanted to make sure that they knew that they were safe, and you know, we're good with that. So we got 2 of these, and we got a set of balls. Uh-oh. And we'll bring Gimli too, so we can all have fun. And we gotta go get some hurricane supplies, so we're prepared and everything. So that is our plan today. All right, we're at Walmart. We are getting ready for the hurricane, and I wanted to show you so far what we've got. We've got some SpaghettiOs and some peas and beans and hash, and I got some gluten-free granola bars. We're stocking up. Yeah, this is the water aisle. Makes sense that the water aisle is empty. Stuff, but all right, guys, this is our cart here. We've got water upon water, and water down here. we're definitely getting water. Hard to believe, and you don't know what to expect. Even though this storm here might end up passing us by, I don't know. We need to be prepared anyway for this season. And some food and all kinds of stuff. We got our batteries. We got our dry shampoo, our hand sanitizer. So I think we are set. All right, we are prepared for a hurricane or a zombie attack. One of the two. We'll survive for a few days here. What we've got. Good morning. All right, so we didn't get to go for our walk this morning, but that's the reason back there. However, Gimli decided that he had to be super close to our head on the bed last night, or early this morning, because he's really scared of the thunder. So we understand, but he couldn't get close enough. He's literally like sitting on our heads on the bed. So anyway, I declare today comfy hoodie day today. This is my favorite hoodie. What's your favorite hoodie? All right, happy weekend to everybody. Our menu today is pizza because it's Friday, and who wants to cook on a Friday? Not this one, not this girl. So what am I doing? Look, doing some quick cleanup, just a few tasks. I'm gonna wipe out the fridge, get that ready, and then I just have a few other things I'm gonna do, and then I'll probably do some editing, maybe watch some TV. Fridays are fun nights, so I don't want to spend all day cleaning. I do actually have some new stuff happening. Finally, after many years of thinking about it, I finally signed up to volunteer at the local Humane Society or Center for the dog shelter and cat shelter, and I'm going to go for orientation tomorrow morning and learn about what to do and all of that. It's going to be kind of fun to hang out with some dogs and cats and who knows what other animals might be there. But exercise, I guess, cleanup is kind of what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, that's going to be kind of interesting. I've volunteered at other places, or not a humane center, but feed my starving children and things like that. But anyway, so that'll be kind of a fun little adventure. I figure, hey, I love animals. I love dogs and cats and all of that, and maybe I can help out. Helping is free. All right, so that's kind of the plan of the night so far. If anything exciting happens, I'll be sure to let you know. They've already been filled in. Of course, so Mr. Gimli down there, he will just stand by me or literally like lay right by my feet if I don't put his bed in here. So yes, that was me. I put Gimli's bed in here and he's helping me clean the fridge. Aren't you, Gimli? Although he's kind of eyeing up that pizza, but you don't like pizza anyway, do you? Yeah? Yeah, he's helping. He's a big helper. All right, you guys. Woo! I was productive this evening. You want to see what I did? All right, so I think the reflection of your brain or your mind is your closet, and mine was a chaotic mess. I didn't even want to show the before, but here's my after. I organized all my things. I did a bunch of donates. Even I got Brian to get rid of some of his stuff. Look at that, looks good, right? And let me show you my donate pile. Look at that. Donate, donate, donate. Feels kind of good getting rid of stuff. And I hit the jackpot. Look at, I won a couple dollars. Cruise fund right there. Hey guys, it is Monday, and I'm always more motivated on a Monday to try something creative for dinner, because on the weekends I've just gotten groceries and it's kind of fun to explore new recipes. So I don't know what you're making tonight, but tonight I have a couple things going on. I have garlic bread and chicken soup. Most of the people in my family eat meat. So that's not for me, but I'm gonna make a veggie rice pilaf. And yeah, so I had a bunch of veggies left over in the fridge, and I'm gonna use them up in my little rice pilaf. It's gonna be kind of amazing. So, and of course, I was delivered this. Wonder who brought that to me. Oh, look at that. So, my little present, I guess the toy of the day is our orange ball. Orange ball is toy of the day. All right, so we've got shredded zucchini and carrots, and then I've got cilantro, and then I cut up some green onion, and in here I have some diced celery and onion. So it's gonna be delicious. And we're gonna make it right over here. Anytime I find a recipe that works really well, it goes on my A list of recipes, and as I'm making meal planning, I always like to pick a couple things from my A list. One second. Somebody might have left that. I don't know who. It is National Dog Day today. That's amazing. Yeah, exciting. So yeah, you guys with your pets, isn't that great that you have a pet? And if you don't, you know, some people just can't, but it sure is a blessing. We love our little guy. This is Gimli. Yeah, he's very needy. Especially anytime I'm in the kitchen, it means playtime. So anyway, what are you guys gonna have for dinner? How do you guys plan out your meals? That is a big mystery to me. I'm still trying to figure it out. Sometimes I just wing it, and I've been trying to get really good at planning it out because we have 5 people in our family here, and it can be complicated if you don't have what you need. So I try to plan some stuff and then wing it. Like towards the end of the week, it ends up being throwing stuff together or making pizzas. Okay, somebody said that the best cooks are the messiest cooks, or the messiest cooks are the best cooks. I don't know if that's true, but that's what I'm gonna go with. I'm so messy sometimes. Literally, my Instant Pot kind of spattered all over. I must have added a little bit too much broth in there, but oh well, you know. Sometimes I'm amazed when I'm done cooking, the mess that awaits me to clean up. Oh well, such is life. Now what we're gonna do is shred the chicken, and then it'll be done. Looks like it's all ready to go. All right, I have an audience. You can't have any of that, but his sniffer's working because this is chicken. So here is my veggie rice pilaf, and put a little cilantro on the top there after it was all done cooking. Looks delicious. I think some of the pilafs call for peas, and I think actually it would probably taste really good. I just don't have any, so we're gonna go without, but looks delicious. And there's the rest of the soup. So you guys have a great night, and thanks for coming to dinner with me.